That's Lion, honey. Lion playing with your sister. Turn around, turn around. Back out. Oh, daddy. Turn nữa. Thầy nói sao? Như sao? Đây, cứ ra. Ooh, scary. Are you scared? He's hungry. What is Why? Huh?
I'm interested in her now.
Say hi, Lion.
Hi.
You see his eyes?
Eyes moving.
Yeah, his eyes moving. It's playing with you.
I'm fine.
Go over there. See if it follow you. Go to the other side. Walk over there. Looking at you.
Look at that. Hello, Lion.
Hi, Lion.
He's looking at food.
Good.
Okay, next.
Next one? Okay, we come back.